So how do you make money on TikTok? Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be covering TikTok and all of the different ways you can actually make money on this platform. So before we actually get into the video, guys, let's just cover a little bit about the demographics. TikTok currently has over 1 billion monthly active users on the platform, and 41% of those users are aged between 16 and 24 years old. Now, 54% of those users are male and 44% are female. So once you understand the demographics of this particular platform, you are going to get an idea of what it is that you can promote or how to actually set up your profiles for success. So guys, the first method I actually recommend that you use to make money on TikTok is something called CPA Marketing. Now here I am on a website called maxbounty.com, and this is a legitimate site that you can use to promote offers and you get paid. So once you're here on this website, you want to go to affiliates and you want to go ahead and join the platform by clicking on become an affiliate. Now you want to go through the step-by-step process of setting up your account, and your account should be approved within 24 to 48 hours, and you will be able to access your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, you want to go to where it says search campaigns. Click on that and it's going to give you this page. So CPA marketing simply means cost per action or cost per lead. This means that you do not have to sell anything to your audience to be able to get paid. You can get paid $2.50 up to $80 per lead by using this particular platform. So all your audience has to do is to go ahead and put in their email address, fill up a simple form, and you are going to get paid. Now with your demographics in mind, you know that your audience are between the ages of 16 and 24, and typically that kind of audience would be interested in free stuff or makeup samples or, free pizza, free whatever. So that is the kind of offers that you want to go ahead and look for to be able to promote. Now, once you're here on your dashboard, you want to go to search options and you want to go to the categories. So this is where you can go ahead and find free stuff, and you have all of the different options that you can go ahead and choose from. So let's say we want to find something like makeup samples. You can try makeup samples. Okay, and there you go. We have two different offers here, and these people only have to go ahead and add in their email addresses and you get paid on the back end, guys. So go ahead and open up these samples, and there are other things that you want to look for before you promote an offer. So here it says that your audience has to complete a form, and then they submit it by adding in their email addresses, and you want to look for the countries that are approved for these particular types of offers. And as you can see here, this one is for the United States. And another thing you want to look for is the campaign daily cap. So when you want to promote CPA offers, you want to be able to have enough signups or as many signups per day as you possibly can, because when you have a large audience on TikTok and you're sending people to your CPA link, you want them to be able to sign up as much as possible to be able to make a lot of money. So look for campaigns that have this does not have a daily cap on here. You're approved for it, and you also want to look at the landing page. So let's go ahead and take a look at the landing page and see what it looks like. Yeah, you see that it will convert for your kind of audience. So all they got to do is go ahead and click on start now. It's going to take them to this page if they're in the USA to be able to sign up for that particular offer. So now that you have your audience and you have your product, guys, it's time for you to go ahead and get a domain name. So this is GoDaddy.com. You can use Namecheap, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use whatever option that you think you want to use to redirect your users to get to a short link. But I prefer that you go ahead and use GoDaddy to get a very short domain name that you can use, that your audience can remember, because you're going to be using it on your videos, guys. So go ahead and let's look for something that is very, short, like makeup tick. And makeup, it tells you that this offer is about makeup. TikTok, I just added that because we're going to be using it on TikTok. So you can go ahead and search for it, and you're going to get a lot of different options here at the bottom. Sometimes your domain name is going to be taken, so you can find other options there that you can use as well. So this one is called makeuptick.me. And it costs you only $3 $1.49 for a whole year. So you can go ahead and purchase this, add this to your cart, add in your details, go ahead and buy this, and I'll show you what you need to do next. Now you want to head back over to your offer, guys, and you want to build your link. So just click on build tracking link, click on contextual and raw link. It's going to give you this link, but you want to copy anywhere from the www. Guys, and just go ahead and copy that, and you're going to go back to GoDaddy, and once you're signed into your dashboard, you want to click on domains. So I'm going to choose this domain to use as an example. So I'm going to click these three little dots next to it and manage DNS. So yours is not going to have all of these different information here at the top. So all you got to do is scroll down and look for where it says forwarding. You click on that little pen icon, or you can add, and all you got to do is add in your link that you got from Max Bounty and change this to HTTPS so that everyone will be able to access your link, and click on save. Now once you're done, all you got to do is go ahead and check and see if your link is working. So you just want to go ahead and paste that into Google, your original link that you purchased, and make sure that it is working, and there you go. It has redirected us to the offer, guys. So as you can see, this is the makeup offer that we chose, and now if anyone goes ahead and sign up, it is going to take them to this page where they can go ahead and sign up for makeup. They can choose which option that they want, sign up for the offer, and you get paid, guys. So now you got your offer, you got your link, you got everything you need to go ahead and create your campaign. You want to go back to TikTok and you want to create a video on your profile. So whatever it is that you are doing on TikTok, it does not have to be about makeup. If you have a loyal audience or a loyal following, you can simply upload a video, and all you got to do is write on the video at the top, get free makeup samples using this link. You can write it in your comments, whatever it is, however you think you can possibly promote your link to your audience, but make sure that you stay within the terms and conditions of TikTok, because you do not want to lose your account. So this is one way that you can really make money using TikTok and CPA marketing. So let's move on to the next method, guys. So the next method, guys, is actually YouTube. You know that YouTube pays you per views. Now if you create a channel around a certain niche and you create content in that particular niche, and you have products that you promote within that particular niche, you can go ahead and promote your YouTube channel on TikTok, drive views and subscribers to your YouTube videos and to your YouTube account to make money from YouTube ads, guys. So I'm on this lady's profile here on YouTube, and we're gonna go over to Social Blade, and we're gonna see, guys, how much money she is making with this particular platform. As you can see here, makeup chair, and we'll go down, you're gonna see that she's making up to $6,000 per month from YouTube just from her views. Now this does not count the affiliate products that she's promoting on her channel as well, so she's making a lot of money on YouTube. Now where does TikTok comes in? Well, on TikTok you are able to add a link to your YouTube channel on your profile. So this is very effective for anyone trying to grow a YouTube channel to be able to make money from YouTube ads. Now the more views you're able to send from TikTok onto YouTube, the more money you are going to make. So next we got Instagram, guys, and especially when you're using the method that I just showed you with CPA marketing, and you have your link here in the bio, and you have a lot of different makeup samples or makeup videos that you are promoting on your Instagram account, and you use your TikTok audience, send them over to your Instagram account to build your profile and send them to your CPA link, you are going to make money as well. So instead of adding your CPA link onto your videos, you can actually tell them to go ahead and check out your Instagram account and click the link in the bio to get free makeup samples and all of that good stuff. Now guys, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, I hope you go ahead and do so right now. Leave a thumbs up and continue watching, because I have some awesome tips for you to make money with TikToks coming up, guys. So next we have this site called tinysponsor.com. Go onto this site, guys, and you are going to be able to sign up for a free account as a creator. This is where you can find sponsors to be able to give you brand deals for your TikTok account. People are making up to $9,000 per brand deal by using this particular platform, guys. So it does not matter how many followers you have on TikTok, guys. You can go ahead and list your listing up on here onto this platform, and you're gonna get deals from people who want to promote their offers on TikTok, and you're gonna make money. This is an effective way to start making money on TikTok right away, guys. So once you want to sign up for this platform, just go to tinysponsor.com, and you're going to have an option to sign up as a creator. Just go to creators up here and you'll be able to sign up. Once you sign up, guys, you are going to be able to add in all of your different social accounts and all of the profiles that you want to promote using this particular platform, guys. Once you do that, you can create your listings, and you are going to start getting offers by using this particular website. So similar to Tiny Sponsor, guys, you have Popular Pays, and they do exactly the same thing as Tiny Sponsors, and this is another resource that you can use. Go onto the platform, click on Creators for Creators, and go ahead and sign up for an account. As you can see here, there are different types of accounts on here. You have Instagram, you have Facebook, YouTube, and all of that good stuff. So I went ahead and signed up just to show you how it looks in the dashboard. Once you do, you can go ahead and add all of your social accounts, and you're going to have people pitching to you, different brands coming on to you, different people want to promote their affiliate offers. They're going to pay you a certain amount for you to go ahead and promote their links and their products on your TikTok account. So this is another site similar to the previous two, guys. You can go, it's called IntelliFluence. So just go ahead and type that into Google, search for it, and you want to come onto this dashboard. Once you're here, you want to click on influencers, and you want to go ahead, and it's going to give you this page that you can register as an influencer. Once you do that, you're going to be able to list all of your different profiles, social media profiles on this platform. And as you can see here, there's TikTok at the bottom, and you are going to get brand deals and offers from people who want to promote their stuff, similar to Tiny Sponsors and influencers, popularpays.com. So last on my list, guys, is this website called NeoRich.com, and it is similar to the previous three. Go ahead and sign up for an account, and you start promoting your TikTok account to get offers. Now, the more of these sites that you sign up to, the easier it is to get offers from brands and from people who want to promote their offers on your TikTok account so that you can start making money right away. Now, the best part of these sites, they have an in-house payment system that you can collect your payments, through their platforms and promote offers from brands and from individuals as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you did like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you better stay awesome until next time.